Welcome to STEM Spark Puzzles. Train your brain with logic, math, STEM, and puzzles. Each quiz trains 6 thinking levels. Remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. Q1, Gear A turns clockwise. Which way does touching gear be turned? Correct answer. Counterclockwise. Touching gears always rotate opposite. Q2, which shape makes the strongest bridge frame? Answer: a triangle. Triangles resist bending and keep their shape. Q3, which tool helps lift a heavy box more easily? Answer: a leva. A leva multiplies your applied force. Q4, a small wheel turns twice. A wheel twice as large turns. Answer: a one turn. A larger connected wheel rotates more slowly. Q5, a rope passes over one fixed pulley. What changes? Answer: the direction. A fixed pulley changes only the pull direction. Q6, 3 touching gears. First turns left, last turns. Answer: a left. Each gear reverses direction, so the third matches the first. Q7, which surface creates the most friction? Answer: C, sandpaper. Rough surfaces create greater friction. Q8, a seesaw balances when both sides have equal. Answer: B, weight times distance. Balance depends on equal turning moments. Q9, most standard screws tighten by turning. Answer: A, clockwise. Standard screws tighten clockwise. Q10, a fan spins faster. What mainly increases? Answer: A, airflow. Faster blades move more air. Q11, for touching gears. First turns clockwise, fourth turns. Answer: B, counterclockwise. 3 direction changes make the last rotate opposite. Q12, which object is hardest to tip over? Answer: B, wide box. A wide base provides greater stability. Q13, using a longer wrench mainly increases. Answer: B, force. A longer handle creates more torque. Q14, to pulleys use an open belt, second pulley turns. Answer: A, clockwise. Open belts keep both pulleys rotating the same way. Q15, with the same force, a larger wheel radius gives. Answer: C, more torque. Torque equals force multiplied by radius. Great job! Let's see your score. How many did you solve? 0 to 5, starter spark. 6 to 10, logic builder. 11 to 14, sharp solver. 15 out of 15, spark master. Comment your score. and subscribe for the next challenge.